Welcome to the Atosa Trademark Cooking Series. Today I'm going to show you the first steps needed before you begin using your new Atosa Combi oven. Inspect how the unit is installed. Is the combi in correct placement? Has it been leveled and properly connect to all utilities? Now, we will begin with the first burn-off. This process removes any solutions that were applied to the product before storage. Be sure to read the safety instructions in the manual. Visually inspect the inside of the combi and verify that all packaging materials have been removed. Boxes, racking zip ties, tape holding the wash arm in place. These are the most common ones you'll find. Remove any debris that may be present inside the cabinet with a damp cloth. Attach the core temperature probe to the core temperature probe connector just above the on and off switch on the right side of the unit. Be sure the reservoirs are full with combi oven detergent and brightener. When filling the detergent or brightener, avoid getting chemicals in your eyes and on your skin. If you get chemicals in your eyes, rinse your eyes with running water immediately and contact a doctor. After completing the previous steps, turn the unit on, press the switch to the on position. The screen will then turn on, and now we are in the operations mode. The screen is user-friendly and gives easy access to the Combi Smart Touch icons. Select the manual cooking icon on the top left of the display. From here, you'll want to set the bake. Press the time cooking icon, press the temperature, and set the temperature to 350 degrees. Now, select your time cook icon. Press time cook and set to 35 minutes. Press your check mark to be returned to the manual menu. Now we want to select our fan speed icon, but enter the desired percentage of fan speed. We're going to set it to 100%, a check mark, and then we're back to the main manual screen. Now we want to check to make sure that our humidity level is set to 0%. Here it's set 0%, but we can go back in and choose and change it if it's not at 0%. We'll press the check mark and back to the manual settings we are. Now that the settings are completed, we'll need to start the unit by pressing the start button at the bottom right of the display. The unit will display our settings, and then we'll press the start button again to start the cooking cycle. Once cooking complete shows on the screen and the oven beeps, the process is ended. We'll have to open the door and then select our fast cool down mode. From here, we'll select our cool down to low temperature, and we'll press the start button, and now we'll open the door and let the unit cool down. Once the unit is cooled down, you're ready to begin the wash cycle. From the main screen, select clean, and here you'll want to select the short cycle. To begin, press the start button. Once the wash cycle completes the process, you are ready to begin cooking in the combi. Thank you for watching this training video, and visit atosausa.com for more resources.